Welcome to today's IT Talk moment. I'm Jyoti and we are going to explore together the opportunities in uncertainties for you all, with you all. So let's get started.
KPMG एक ग्लोबल नेटवर्क है प्रोफेशनल सर्विसेज फर्म्स का जो प्रोवाइड करते हैं ऑडिट टैक्स एंड एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज. They operate in 147 countries and territories and they have more than 219,000 people working in member firms around the world. So आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे उन लोगों के लिए those who are keen to start their data science journey and how they can start their career by starting this virtual internship anywhere in the world with KPMG Data Analytics team. And for those who will ask about how, if you will get a certificate or not after completing the internship and if it is free or paid, so everything related to this internship is totally free and you will get a shareable certificate that you can share on your LinkedIn. So that is according to the FAQ of the website. You can go and check that as well. One more question that people generally ask कि कोई eligibility criteria है क्या या कोई experience required है क्या. तो it's just that anyone with an interest for data science can apply to this free program and all it takes is a simple registration. So what is the purpose of the KPMG virtual internship as per them? This virtual internship is an opportunity for you to demonstrate your interest in KPMG. इससे उन्हें पता चलेगा that yes, you are interested in their firm and also they will consider favorably students who complete the program. But then again, it is not an intention for KPMG to hire students based on the performance in this virtual internship. The thing is that you will get an amazing opportunity to work on the model that is prepared by their consultants, and also due to the high number of participants who are completing this, they will not be able to assess your work like one by one on one assessment नहीं हो पाएगा. But they have prepared like जो भी modules आपको दिए जाएंगे आप उनके ऊपर काम करोगे, data research करोगे, data visualization, data analytics using tools like Python pandas, Tableau, and there will be so much related to data exploration, model development, interpretation and reporting. So I will leave this link in the description below for all those who are interested. Now as I said कि कोई भी इस program को कर सकता है and it is completely free. And there is this group of 500 plus students who are already doing this on Facebook. तो जैसे ही आप register करोगे आपको ये notification आएगा कि your first task is ready and also you can go and join that group. I think it will be very beneficial because like-minded people and people who are already going through this phase will help you in a lot of your queries. So if you'll go and sign in and register on this platform, then you will be assigned certain tasks. जैसे कि ये first task assign हुआ है, मैंने अभी register करके देखा. So basically it's about data quality assessment. There are certain steps that you will have to follow. First of all, you will get your instructions from your supervisor. There are videos that you have to go through. After that you will get background information on your task. So as you can see, you will also receive a voicemail wherein you will receive instructions from the team as to how you can approach the task. There will be resources to help you with the task, and obviously after that you will have this portion wherein you can submit your work. Just drag and drop your file. So as soon as you submit your work, you will be able to unlock the model work. अब model work क्या है? As I said in the beginning of the video that ये लोग एक एक सबका individually assess नहीं कर पाएंगे कि किसने task को किस तरीके से approach किया है. तो basically आपको एक model work अनलॉक करने को मिलेगा जैसे ही आप सबमिट करते हो अपना वर्क, विच इज़ नथिंग बट द मॉडल वर्क इज़ क्रिएटेड बाय अ सीनियर कंसल्टेंट इन डेटा एनालिटिक्स टीम्स ऑफ KPMG. So you will come to know ki how the person sitting there in their team working on live projects would have approached this. If you have watched this video till now, till the end, I am sure that you are someone interested in data science. So what are you waiting for? Register yourself to this free internship program by none other than KPMG, and this is a self-paced program and it approximately takes 5 to 6 hours to complete. Use this experience in your CV as well. I will see you next time.
So yes guys, this was it for today's IT Talk moment. If you found the video useful, make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up, and if you want me to discuss about something specific in detail, let me know in the comment section, and comment section is open for you all to discuss anything and everything that you want to discuss about. So with this, I would like to end today's video here, and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you next time. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.